Hey guys, welcome back to iNVision Prototypes. I'm Nick. Today is a big day here at the shop. We're going to be taking and dropping, and I use the term loosely, dropping this windshield into the custom 1940 Ford Coupe that we've been building. It's been a long time coming for this final install, and it's kind of like the crowning moment. We've had this windshield in a few times just to mock things up or to fit it when we were doing the body work or to make sure all the gaps were right. The list of to-do items is getting smaller and smaller with each and every day. We still have the side windows to do, the back glass is in, and well, today it's basically the end of the day, and we're going to take and drop this windshield in and walk away. I've gone ahead and prepared the perimeter with some contact primer so that the adhesive, the urethane adhesive, bites in and really adheres to the body. If we just stick it to the clear, there's a chance that it can come off or develop a leak in the future. We don't want that. So this contact primer basically etches into the clear coat, and then you apply the urethane on top of that and you'll have a good seal. So I've got some tools ready there. We'll go over what we have and we'll apply a bead around the perimeter of the glass and then lower it into place. Get some lacquer thinner so we can take and wipe off the perimeter of the windshield, make sure it's pristinely clean. Make sure you have some gloves because when you go to apply this urethane, if it gets onto your hands, it really gets into your skin and it takes forever to wash out. Don't ask me how I know. And then to apply this urethane adhesive, we're going to use a caulking gun.
You call that a caulking gun?
Yeah, it's a caulking gun.
I'll be back.
Just adjusting the tip a little bit. You want a kind of a feathered tip.
This, my friend, is a caulking gun.
Holy smokes. Where'd you get that?
We built this.
No way.
We took a caulking gun, we took a hacksaw, combined them, and inserted an actuator. Now, it's 12 volt, trigger sensitive, push forward, pushes out, pull back, it pulls back. And by the way, if you break down on the side of the road with a broken windshield, clips onto your battery and away you go.
Perfect. And what do you call that?
We call it the actuator.
We got to see this in action.
Sounds like a jet.
Yeah, taking off. In case you're wondering what I'm doing, puncturing the end of the tube, because you can squeeze this all you want till you're blue in the face. You won't get any caulking out until you break that little seal inside. Our new toy. Okay.
It works just like any normal caulking gun. You pull the plunger back, drop the tube inside, as so. Make sure that your V is sitting vertically. And now we push the trigger ahead. And she's ready to go.
And we're just about ready here. See, I wiped this off a number of times. You can see it's still coming off black. So we want that to come off clean because we want to make sure that the adhesive sticks. Okay, one more time. Much better. Okay, let that evaporate a minute. Now we've got some handles on the back side, just so we can pick the glass up without getting our fingers into the adhesive. Yep. I'm actually going to step in half an inch. Ooh, you're oozing out already.
There you go.
It works. We need to back up a smidge. There. All right. So let's bring you guys in over here. I'm going to start with my back to you and then we'll come around. See, this stuff is runnier than usual.
Yeah. Should sit outside and let it cool off.
Okay, so we're basically applying a pyramid of adhesive. Wider at the bottom, more narrow at the top. And I'm not just triggering the switch right until max force. I'm just allowing the adhesive to come out at a consistent rate. Sure saves on the hand. Manual caulking gun, you have to maintain a constant pressure. And this is the first time we've used this. So hopefully nothing breaks halfway through. It's not bad. You can see how much caulking is left. Oops, I better stop talking.
Yeah, you're getting close to the end of the tube. Looks like it's going to take both tubes.
Yeah, that's fine. I think that's the end of the tube. It's still coming out. Incredible. It works. Patent pending. You can hear it starting to bear down.
Here it goes.
I think it's 300 pounds per square inch on this actuator. That's it. Okay. Paper towel. Now we just retract the tube a bit. Yep.
Good.
Look at that.
Empty.
So, one tube out. Let's get the other one loaded. Make an adjustment here. Gotta go there.
Your V sitting okay?
Yep, that's good. And here we go again. Now my V got a bit smaller. There she goes. So we're going to kind of go over the V a little bit quicker. Fade it in. Ooh, I better get moving. Okay, you all ready with the car? The two rubbers are in place at the bottom. Good.
Looking good. Oh, still standing up nice.
Good. This actuator works really well. By now you'd be rubbing out 2 or 3 cramps in the forearm, and you wouldn't have as nice of a bead. Now the trick is going to be to stop this stuff from squeezing out. Guess we just back off on the pressure and fade it out. Paper towel, please. There we go. Okay, we'll clean this thing up after. Thank you. That's fine. Your hands clean?
Yep.
I hope these suction cups hold.
Got no reason not to.
Okay. Roll it over. And keep it tight to the hood. Something's touched. Okay. How is your side for space? I'm sitting about 1/8 of an inch. Wow. And your spacers are at the bottom. It's down just a 1/16 of an inch below the surface. I'm sitting comfortably.
A little bit low here.
Okay.
All the way down. Same.
Okay. Well, that's where you can make some adjustments. Oh, this is looking good here. Now, we did tape everything off, so you have a little bit of time. Take about an hour for this to cure to where you can't move it. You want to make sure I have a consistent space all the way around. All the work we did in fitting this shows up at this point here. Got to move really slowly. You just can't move the glass.
Yeah.
Okay, now we're flush. It's looking really good up in there. Nice consistent gap. Good here. All right. I think that's going to be it. I think that came out really well. Pull the tape off. We're going to apply a bit of adhesive in through here so that no garbage gets in there. But that'll be done once the urethane has finally set. No longer need these. I'm going to lower the hood so we can see a better view of the windshield. I didn't latch it all the way, but you guys can see what's going on there. And we'll probably pull this tape off. We will pull this tape off later once everything is set and we finished what we need to do around the perimeter. So, what do you think, guys? Turn out all right? Hit the like button if you like the way this came out. Thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and see you next time.